you can see it in the way I dress. And you should know this by the way I finesse. Or you can see it way before I come. Ain't gotta say where I'm from, don't act dumb. I'm from Oakland.
Good morning. Oh man, good morning. Alright, so I'm already started, got the car jacked up. I've got a few things to change. It's guaranteed I have to change the ride height. Being used to driving trucks, I might be out of practice, but driving a low car, this low car, I mean the car literally only had about 2 fingers gap from the side skirts to the ground. It's got to get raised at least that. I'd say 2 inches on the sag. It's probably gonna be about 1 inch actual ride height. And if I could just get 1 inch out of it, I'm gonna be happy because the rear suspension's gotten pretty soft. Let's go ahead and knock this out, raise it as much as I can, and then we're gonna smoke the rest of the holes in the fenders, and then just get this car 100% completely buttoned up, dialed in.
Getting that drifty boy off.
Yes, she drifts. Because I had my AC on. I think I was like 12.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I think we should turn the AC off and go back the other way and even the tires out.
Yeah, you might want to even them out. You don't want to be lopsided out here in the game. You know, like that ain't good.
All right, let's see. Go ahead.
I think that assures you won't have no lopsided boys on the freeway. You'll be all good.
I guess she skids. Yeah, it felt a little bit more powerful with the AC off. You know
Okay,
what I'm saying?
yeah,
I think,
get you 15 to 20 at least.
No. I
at
think
least.
it might have been 13, but you know what I'm saying? It was the torque
Right.
that I needed. You know
Right. You
Yeah.
get that many more Newton meters out
Race
of it.
car.
Yeah,
When it has AC off, it's a race car.
exactly.
Wow, that's a lot of slide action. I didn't think it was going to do that.
Hey, it was getting busy. It was getting busy. He was running that outer line. That's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah. It is on 245s. A lot of cats at Rx8s do not slide 245s.
Hey, you got to keep that momentum, you know?
Yeah.
It's all good. It's all to the good.
Yeah.
Probably shouldn't be letting him do this.
It just showed you what happened. It just showed you what happened. Hey.
That shit looked hilarious. Yeah. Oh, my bad.
I was put to the floor in second and it didn't want to go. This tire, you could feel it was lighting up. And then that bitch just said, no, nigga, how about you stop?
It said, whoop.
Yep. It said, how about you stop?
How about you knock that shit the fuck off?
Knock that shit the fuck off.
Oh, that was some funny shit.
So people die because of engineers and programming.
Absolutely died.
Because I never touched the brakes. Did you see the brakes cut on?
You were facing me when it happened,
Oh,
so it didn't. Yeah.
dog. So what it did was it braked that wheel and it braked both
I
of the
know
fronts.
you felt both fronts.
Yes.
Yep, I felt both
This
fronts.
one was still going, and because I was fighting it and I stayed flat on the throttle, that motherfucker said, wait, you don't want to heat what the fuck I'm talking about? And the shit went done.
Done. You over with. You done for the night.
Yo.
That's it.
Hey, so everybody coming out of meets, it might not be your fault. Most likely is,
Yeah.
but it might not be because
A lot of shit going on.
yeah. Wow.
More information on that soon too.
Yeah,
Wow.
we're gonna have to do a whole video on that,
Oh, yeah.
showing the processes and then eliminating the specifics. Like we're not gonna give the specifics until we do the video,
Right.
but eliminating the specifics and then show the difference that it
Oh, yeah.
actually can drift after that.
Oh yes.
Cause see, we were told a certain thing. We believe it because we seen it, but we just had to try it for ourselves.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And that's what makes it even more crazy. Our dude got wild mad at me for telling him,
Hey man. Hey. You know, some people gotta learn like
Hey.
Penny.
yeah,
The harder way.
the hideaway. Yes. Yep. I was setting it up just in case. When you're backing up, I always cut it on and just make it run when
You gotta get the
it's on.
hangout boy.
Is that a movie truck?